The modern hospital, home to hundreds, sometimes thousands of interconnected medical and IoT devices that are essential to efficient, effective patient care. But along with this interconnectivity comes increased cybersecurity risk. In 2020, healthcare data breaches increased 55%. The average cost increased as well, from $429 per record breached in 2019 to $499 in 2020, costing healthcare organizations approximately $13.2 billion throughout the year. So, how can enterprise technology leaders keep their health delivery organization and its patients safe? Turn to Skeye from GE HealthCare. Skeye combines the strength of GE HealthCare's global cybersecurity organization with decades of medical device service experience to monitor for threats to devices and data in real time. At our MedTech Security Operations Center and across our network of dedicated support experts and on-site field engineers, we're watching around the clock. Leveraging predictive artificial intelligence tools and systematic processes, we help predict threats and quickly work to mitigate them. Skeye provides robust wing-to-wing protection. Help increase visibility of networked medical devices throughout healthcare facilities and across the enterprise, and help decrease cybersecurity risks and support efficient, effective patient care, today and in the future.